Hello everybody, welcome back to Prani Gaming. In this episode, we are continuing the Classic Decks challenge and yeah, we are continuing it and no chest to open, we just need to play the challenge in this episode. And yes, we have the Royal Giant finally. I was waiting for this. Okay. Here the fisherman pulls the Sparky. Yes, he doesn't do anything. Thank you. The fisherman, what a great card. And we have skeleton dragons as well. So yeah, not a bad classic deck actually. I'm going to tell you this. And we have a lot of spells. Or I think only the log and the fireball. I'm not sure if there are any more. Yeah, now look at this. The heal spirit plus the royal giant. This is going to be a very good attack. Just look at this. Oh no, I thought the royal giant, it's going to heal. But it does a great job. 1101 HP is not sufficient, I think. Hunter, if you send it near a troop, very close to a troop. Oh my god, it's so great. Yeah, skeleton dragon's doing a great job. Heal spirit to no use, but no problem. I mean, we have defended well, so yeah, that's the main thing. We have the log this time. Yes, the mega minion is gone, and now we can't send anything because the log. Yes, we are going to get that crown tower easy, too easy. He sent a goblin cage after the royal giant has started shooting cannons at the crown tower, not at any. It has already started shooting, so it's of no use when you send a building like that. Let's get the Sparky back. Yes, it doesn't do any damage. Very good. And the hunter is doing a great job there. Yes, I just want to attract the Dark Prince to the middle of the arena so that doesn't deal any damage. This is good. The heal spirit, it's not doing anything, but oh no. Right at the last moment. No problem. Absolutely no problem because we have the fireball. There you go. The fireball is going to help the royal giant a lot here. But still we don't get finish this game. No problem. We have the fireball again. We have the log. We have the fireball. We have everything to win this game and we have to win it. Yeah, even if he sends a P.E.K.K.A in the place of Goblin Giant, I have no problem whatsoever. Because we have the fireball and we are going to finish the game here. Look at this. Just one more shot. Gone. Definitely we have win it. Let's just send the log if it doesn't, but it does. It's a great card. It has to do it. Yes. Third win. And more gold, yes. More gold. 2500. Every gold reward, it's the same gold, so no problem actually. Let's go again then. Oops, this deck is not as good as the last one, I have to say that. One thing I've observed is, now look at this deck, okay, or take the previous deck actually. As you guys saw, the previous deck which our opponent played with, that's the same deck we are playing with now. And I think it's like that. I think that's the pattern or something like that. Let's just zap the balloon. Oh, actually not. The mega. Why would we need to waste 2 elixir when the mega minion can do a good job? Oh, we have the golem. Okay, so it's not a bad deck actually. I thought we don't have that good cards, but yeah, we have the golem actually, so that's good. Or maybe I think we are not playing with the opponent previous game's opponent's deck. I think he didn't have the lumberjack, the baby dragon, and all those cards. I think he didn't have it. But anyway, we have got a very good start here. Okay, lava hound. Sent at the back, at the corner. It's always many people send it there because it has to ignore buildings. That's the reason. Okay, so hey, this is his plan, but we have a lightning, nothing to worry actually. So the balloon is already going to be damaged. There you go, just like that. No damage done, not much damage done. He has done some damage, but not much. I think I didn't position the tornado well. This is going to be a good game, I'm sure. I'm waiting for the golem. Yes, double elixir. Let's go. Golem from the front. I'm not a defensive player, but we can't send the golem actually because he has sent the lava hoon. We can't ignore the lava hoon. Yes, get the balloon back. Get the balloon back. Yes. Oopsie, we are going to lose a tower here. Now let's go for the golem. Come on. I didn't expect this. He played well. Tombstone. No, I don't like this. I don't like this. We will lose this. We can't win this. Let's just hope the lumberjack gets some shots, but I think, yeah, he has a tombstone. He played well though. He played really well. I thought we have a higher chance, but yeah, he came back really well actually with the lava hound and the balloon and all those cards.